matching tires. No.
You like tires, Susanna?
No, you don't.
Hi. Are you gonna get mommy on Mother's Day? Yeah, look at her go! Yay! Susanna, can't go that way. There's grass. Come back this way.
Back up.
Back up, sweetie. Don't help her.
There's a bug on her.
Honey, she likes bugs. Don't make her be a bug freak.
Like a flea.
There's dirty old Molly in the background. Dirty Molly got in the trash when we were in church. Molly, are you a bad dog? No, she don't even know what that means. You don't even know what that means. Bad dog.
Molly.
Penny, are you a good dog? Whoa, missing the baby. Hi, Susanna. Hi. Come on. Come on, let's go. Yeah, we're going. Susanna, what happened to your rearview mirrors? What happened to your rearview mirrors? Did you rip them off with your superhuman baby strength? Alright, you ready to go shopping? Whoa! You ready to go shopping? Hi, wave! Yay! We're gonna go shopping, okay? Bye-bye.